Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch. The central heating is not working, but the hot water is. Now having a look at it, the pressure looks like it's down, so it might be an easy fix. All I gotta do is repressurize it and hopefully it'll be working fine after that. But actually there's more to it than just the pressure down, so there's more repairs to it. So keep on watching and see how we sort this one out, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I think it should be that much better. Anyway, we got no central heating, and this is the main reason why we don't have central heating on this one. Okay, the hot water is working fine, but the central heating isn't. Let's move that because that's causing damage to that wire. Okay, so we're going to change the diverter valve on this before we can move on to anything else. Which we've got a new diverter valve on it, and we're going to be changing that today. The reason we're changing that is because it's one, it's leaking, and second is the diverter valve itself is not working, so we're going to have to sort that out. Okay, we're going to have to do, how we're going to do it, we're going to drain off on this. Can you see a drain off in it? No? So that's going to be okay, we're going to have to drain that down. Oh, there it is. So we're going to drain off here, excuse me. Yeah. Okay, because we're upstairs, we don't have to isolate the valves then underneath the boiler. So let's drain it off. I've got a bucket underneath. Yeah, so let's drain this off first. And there it is. So that's draining down. Right, we're just going to give it a minute. Let's start with draining it down. Slowing down. The reason I didn't isolate it from underneath. The reason being, they're upstairs anyway. And you know these isolation valves, if they're a bit seized, start leaking, then you're bugged because they're so expensive to change. So I just realized the condensers and stuff like that. Let's just clean it for them. Clean that for them as well. It's not a difficult job. Okay, that's sorted. Nearly. So what we're going to do is take these pins out. Whoa. Shouldn't be any water in there. And if there is, I'm bugged. So 1 second. Say again. What's that? Oh, you mean at the back? Oh yeah. Yeah, I've seen that. Can you see that one there? Right. So guys, see that? We got some WD-40 on it. We got a big spanner put on it. And guess what? It's still not opening, man. And look, it's solid. That's a bad. That's quite bad. That is. We're stuck now, yeah. I know everyone's gonna give me some ideas. We should have done this. You should have done that. I ain't got my blowtorch with me, and I don't want to melt it either. So I think the option is there. Open the top one, and then clip. Then it might come out. That had to come out from that side. The reason I had to come out from that side is because I had to take it up on it. Now I just hope I got some rubber washers for this. Otherwise I'm bugged, yeah? So I've got a bucket underneath there and hope for the best. Right guys. So I got this baby out. Right. From inside there. Okay guys, it's going to be a mission this is, isn't it? Hopefully you won't be working on this boiler ever, guys, but if you do, it's a nightmare, boys. So I got 3 new washers. I've taken 2, that one's going to stay. I'm going to put one over here. I think they're all the same, hopefully size as well. Guys, normally I have a plan to put everything back in. Guess what? I got no plan this time. So I'm thinking, push the back one in, just that way, and then the last one on the side. So push the far, and then it just comes in. Okay, I need my both hands for this one. So I'm gonna push, and then down the bottom one, and then that way. Okay. So guys, so the back one's in. Right, put that one first, and then this bottom one. So, and the side one's left. The side one's this one here. So what I'm gonna do is put the side one on the bottom first, and then the last at the end put this one in, and then nearly lost it. Then we're just going. So okay, we're gonna do it that way, and then we're gonna put the grommet in, and then we're done. Go ahead.
If I put that one in, put a clip in at the back.
Yeah. This side. Right. So guys, before you put that one in, I think it was a good idea to put the pins in. So the pins are both in now. Alright, the pins are in, the back one's in as well. So that was a bit of a mission. Got them in. And now the last one. Now I think that should be easy. So the final one's in as well. Okay, just gotta put the pin in. The condenser is got a screw in somewhere there. Right, I'm just gonna have to open the screw. We're gonna clean the condenser out as well with a good lady. Right, that's for free anyway. It was alright, but I might as well just clean it up. These are the kind of jobs you don't get paid for. Okay, that was quite bad, didn't it? Okay, I take my words back, that was quite bad. I'm glad that I didn't put it in. Right, that's basically it. This is back. And that's basically it. Now I'm just gonna clean the system, put the water in there, and see what happens. I'm sure that that's it clipped in. And that's all clipped in now. The grommet's gonna go in here, guys. Probably thinking, I just forgot about that. Do you remember the film, the Vaillant one we done? Just you forgot something, haven't I? I think it's in there. There, I forgot to close that. I just felt a drop on my arm. So, okay, alright, there, that's it, I done it now. Ready to pressurize it. I'm going to keep an eye on that. Last thing more is whoosh. Yes, we all been there before. Won't be the first time with me. But if it is right, if it does gush out, don't worry, I'm going to keep on making film of it. You can have a laugh on it. Hey guys, guess what? The back one started leaking. Right, it's holding now, pressurizing it, very slowly, and we'll see. I had to take it off and put it back in again. It wasn't gushing, it just drop. So, yeah, I missed nothing. Back one now. Back in there. Just soak in. That's going up now. I know the feeling looks on the slow side, but you know, I'm really impatient when it comes to these things. I feel like switching the boiler on now. Just want to try that. Okay, what was the problem with this one? I don't know if you guys remember. Okay, what was the problem with this one is the hot water was working but the heating wasn't. I think that's the problem. Why? So guys, it's not leaking at the back no more. So it's not leaking anyway. Put the power on. Still got the feeling to report now. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the heating on now. Heating's on. We'll find out this baby. What the hell, man? Okay, one more go. Nah. What's the next episode? Right, anyway. So guys, I've got it on the chimney sweep. So, and that's basically it. No leaks, nothing. No, I'm out of here, man, guys. Okay, we're just gonna do my safety checks before you start nagging. Oh, did these safety checks? I'll do my safety. So I'm just gonna do all my safety checks on it, and then I'm out of here, man. The reason I got a chimney sweep is just got it when it warmed up very quickly. So you know, with Worcester-Bosch, sometimes like they go into slow heat up temperature. So I just want it heating up quickly as possible. And back to that, I just want to make sure. So make sure it's not leaking in any way. Yeah, it's fine then. No leaks. There's no leaks on the side either. So I think it's fine. Yeah, no leaks anyway. So the temperature is going to go. I'm going to put the case on and then that. Guys, that was hard work. I changed the diver to abonne. All you had to do is clip it in. The back clip right come out, so I was leaking a bit, so I had to take it out and put it back in. Other than that, it's all working fine. Till next time, Birmingham Solihull. Peace.